Alright, so we're out walking the 7 Bridges Trail in Colorado Springs. Still some snow on the mountains. Not a lot, but a little bit. Once you get towards the end of it, it is a little bit sketchy, and it's more of like a goat trail is what I'd call it compared to what we're walking on here. But it's pretty cool. I think the elevation is right close to 8,900 feet, I think it said. I'll have to take a look later, but we're gonna come around this corner here in a second and you'll be able to see all of Colorado Springs.